Leon coming to you from the range. All right, like and subscribe. The gun, I'm testing again. I'm pushing this gun to the limits. High point, C9. Why am I pushing this gun? Because it's got people like to talk bad about it, and I'm gonna push it to the limit today. As you can see, I got it a little further. I'm going to the 10 yard. Today's ammo, Veteram 124 grain, 2 mags, 7 rounds each. High point, C9, Gen 1. You know, this is a fixed barrel. Sights are, the rear sight adjustable, not the front. Rear. Switch. Okay. That's halfway decent. All right. Let's see how it goes. Last round, hold open, 10 yard line. Let's see how I did. Not bad. Tell me this gun ain't accurate. And I'm not even trying to aim. Let's go. 15. Magazines are easy to move. All right. Rack's pretty good. Few rounds went off, but not bad. Most still inside at 15 yard line. Or was that the 20? I think it's so not bad shooting. No chance. All right. I'm going to do this weekend. Still on target. We can, left-handed. Still on target. All right. I'm gonna do this two-handed, so I'm gonna have to put this on the back. All right, two-handed. More on target with two hands. Alright, on target. Pretty much. Not a bad guy.